Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Halo accessories in Fisch Roblox. So the Halo is one of the coolest and most sought after accessories in Fisch because it gives your character that angelic look, and best of all, you can customize the color to match any outfits. To get it, you can basically go to the menu in here, and you can just scroll down until you find this one, enable this supporter halo. So basically, to get the halo, you need to buy the game pass in here for around 2.29 here. So once you enable it, you can change the color. As you guys can see, you need to buy it first for 69 Robux. And once you get that, you can modify the color. So guys, that's how you can get the halo, the supporter halo in Fisch. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.